Okay, what do we have today?
Someone famous once said, "You can't touch this." But that was 30 years ago, and it had nothing to do with electronics. But now you can find touch interfaces everywhere, and Omron's W7ED touch sensor is bringing the benefits of touch to even more applications, such as elevators, vending machines, and more. W7ED touch sensors minimize development time for any project. They're designed to be mounted using screws to connect the sensor contact to a metal or metal-plated touch electrode, eliminating the need for PCB design and reducing maintenance needs. There's also no need to perform sensitivity adjustments, allowing for simple maintenance and easy implementation. W7ED touch sensors are available with an inline or L-shaped electrode and an optional frame ground terminal to prevent damage from ESD. These sensors can operate from a 5 volt to 15 volt supply and have an open collector output.